Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I think it's funny we have to do this intro because we all know each other. But my clinical sites for this term are basically the same as last semester with the exception of a specialty. So I will be doing some hours with an internal medicine nurse practitioner, family medicine nurse practitioner, and then I will also be doing some hours in hospice, which is probably the highlight of my term because I love hospice and I want to work in hospice. My concerns for this term, I'm definitely concerned about reaching my geriatric patient number. I know that last semester I didn't get that many, and so that's something that I need to be on top of this semester. Another concern that I have is just the fact that I think with my hospice hours, I'm probably going to do some palliative hours as well, and I'm nervous about the palliative hours because I'm afraid that I'm not going to like it, but it's easier for me to get a job, if that makes sense. The driving force that keeps me going. That's a good question. I would probably have to say there's a couple of driving forces. I think one, I have felt very stagnant in my career for a while, just wanting to advance, have a greater challenge, more autonomy, more responsibility, and that definitely keeps me motivated. And then another driving force would be, honestly, to make more money, to have normal hours, and just, advance in nursing. I think that this is just the next step, and I'm not sure what's next. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.